Let's face it, running a med spa can be hard work. Managing calendars, treatment notes, bookings, and payments. It all adds up to hours of repetitive tasks and paperwork. Not to mention the challenge of keeping your booking calendar full. But it doesn't have to be this way. Pabau is the all-in-one med spa software that helps thousands of businesses save time and run smoothly. Here's how it works. Take your business completely paperless and store all your client information in our digital system that your entire team can easily access on any device, from anywhere in the world. Appointments, files, photos, treatment notes, and invoices. They're all just a couple of clicks away. Automate the admin work with features like digital patient forms, smart appointment reminders, and automatic aftercare emails. So you can spend more time focusing on making clients happy and growing your business. Keep your booking calendar full with our suite of marketing tools that help you reach new customers and encourage existing ones to make repeat bookings. Analyze your business performance with over 150 pre-built reports, or create your own custom reports to easily track what's most important to you. Manage every aspect of your business in one place with performance analysis, staff management, payments features, and more. Pabau is easy to use, but just in case, our dedicated support team is here to help. Let Pabau make med spa management easier and book a free demo today.